Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin. Here in San Francisco, these bartenders tonight, they know how to bring it.
It's the best competition there is, based on the fact that it lets us do what we do every night at our bars. It gets crazy, it gets rowdy.
You can't just make a great drink. You gotta be so much more.
They're actually making the cocktail and performing in front of us. I think that's the most exciting part of Remixology.
Hoping to see some tasty cocktails, people having fun, not taking themselves too seriously.
Not only do I like to see the great accuracy in the mixology, but I like to really see them take an effort at synchronizing it with the music.
Get down, get down, get down, get down.
You get to hang out, you get to dress up, you get to listen to music you want to listen to and rock out behind the bar with it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the 2012 Appleton Estate Reserve Remixology semifinals on his way to New York City, Mr. Trevor Easter!
I haven't really won a big competition before, and this was huge. We're gonna come out to New York and we're gonna bring it hard. So you better look out.